Hello and welcome to our hotel. How may I assist you today? Do you have a reservation? Could you please provide your reservation details? I'll need to check you in. May I have your name, please? Could you spell your last name, please? Here's your room key. You're in room 203. Enjoy your stay. What time is checkout tomorrow? Would you like a wake-up call? Our breakfast is served from 7 to 10 a.m. Is there anything specific you'd like to know about the hotel? How many nights will you be staying? We offer both smoking and non-smoking rooms. Which do you prefer? Can I see some identification, please? Please sign here to confirm your check-in. Your room is on the 4th floor. The elevator is to your left. We provide complimentary Wi-Fi throughout the hotel. Here is a map of the hotel. Your room is marked. If you need any assistance during your stay, don't hesitate to ask. What time is breakfast served? Is there a minibar in the room? Do you have a gym or fitness center on site? Is room service available 24 hours? May I help you with your luggage? The restaurant is on the ground floor, open for lunch and dinner. I'm sorry, but we don't allow pets in our hotel. We offer a complimentary shuttle service to the airport. Is there a safe in the room for valuables? We have a pool and a spa available for our guests. Can I arrange for a taxi to pick you up tomorrow? What's the Wi-Fi password? Housekeeping will clean your room every day. Please fill out this feedback form after your stay. Is there a laundry service available? We have a conference room available for meetings. Your room includes a complimentary continental breakfast. Checkout time is at 12 p.m. You can exchange currency at the front desk. I'm sorry, but we are fully booked for tonight. We have a special offer for honeymooners. We offer a discount for AAA members. Is there a smoking area in the hotel? The hotel offers free parking for guests. We have a concierge service to assist with your plans. May I take your dinner reservation for tonight? What time does the hotel restaurant close? We can arrange a late checkout for an additional fee. How would you like to settle your bill? Cash or credit card?